Welcome to Kids Nursery TV.
Look at the eggs so bright today. Red, yellow, blue, come out and play. Crack them open, see inside. Colors everywhere, far and wide. Red egg, yellow egg, blue egg too. Green egg, purple egg, all for you. Mix and match, what can you see? Colors are so fun for you and me. Orange egg is shining in the sun. Pink egg sparkles, oh what fun. Brown and white, so neat and round. Look at all the colors we have found. Red egg, yellow egg, blue egg too. Green egg, purple egg, all for you. Mix and match, what can you see? Colors are so fun for you and me. Tap the eggs, hear them go. Roll them fast and nice and slow. Colors here, colors there. Colors, colors everywhere. Colors fade, the eggs say bye. Wave your hands and say hi, hi, hi. Red and yellow, blue and green, the prettiest eggs you've ever seen.
Thank you for watching. Hooray! Don't forget to click subscribe today.